It's the final day of the National Summit on the Future of Constitutional Democracy, holding in Abuja. The business of the day is essentially to listen to presentations from representatives of the 6 geopolitical zones.
We call for the scrapping of state independent electoral commissions. Elections into local government councils should be conducted by a national local government electoral commission to ensure transparency and accountability.
We have issues of minority and national identity protection, and therefore we suggest the amendment of the Constitution where Section 42 provides general anti-discrimination provisions but lacks specific protection for identifiable minority groups.
With the presentations concluded, the conference proceeds to the reading and adoption of the combined resolutions.
Delegates agreed that there is a need for a new people-driven, inclusive, democratic constitution anchored on true federalism, that regions should manage their resources while paying royalty to the central government using an equitable formula. Number 6, local government system.
A mild drama ensued as some members disagree with some of the resolutions, causing the former governor of Akwa Ibom State to stage a walkout. The proceeding was interrupted, with leaders consulting in clusters. After about 5 minutes, the former governor returns to the meeting. The chairman of the summit then calls for a break.
It's now 1:45. We go for an hour break.
5 hours after, the meeting is reconvened. This time, Professor Maxwell Gidado reads the resolutions.
The summit calls for an immediate constitutional framework that will return Nigeria to a truly federal system of government. A 2-chamber federal legislature is unsustainably expensive for Nigeria to maintain. The delegates to the summit therefore recommend a more appropriate, cost-effective system.
The summit made over 50 resolutions, including the scrapping of the presidential system of government, true federalism, geographical restructuring, and scrapping of the current bicameral legislature. As the summit ends, a draft legislative bill for a new constitution is expected to be presented to the National Assembly and President Bola Tinubu for further action.